and let everyone join. So, if you are a working professional, prepare. I mean, if you plan to trade index or if you have been trading index, you want some added advantage in your options trading, right? From tomorrow, so don't do that if you haven't attended yesterday's session. In fact, nobody should start trading using this from tomorrow. Observe it for at least a week, then start doing trading on it. At least observe the efficiency of it for a week, that how beautifully they react, how beautifully they give you target, how beautifully the pain point works. So your eyes should definitely be watching the pain point behavior first of all. Give 2 days at least to watch the behavior at pain point. Then next 2 days behavior of VWAP, AVWAP. Then next 2 days behavior of red line. So this is how you should spend 1 week observing everything. Write down, ask me questions, right? For 1 week, watch it, create situations, save chart the boss. When it this happened, why this not happened? When it came here, why it did not go up? You should create such questions. I mean, not hypothetically, but actually, if anything such happened, right? We all should be figuring out the reason if any such an extraordinary situation you come across during this week of observation. Observing 1 week is very important. That would be an investment which you would be doing in yourself. Don't think that will not be making 1 week money from options. You can make money from stock for that 1 week. But for 1 week, if you want to use this method, observe it. Right. So does that answer your question, Ajinkya, which you asked? Or did I not answer it? I can't hear you. Can you guys hear me?
Yes, sir. I got
You
my
are not
answer,
heard.
sir.
Okay, okay, great, great. Any other questions, doubt, guys, you have? Then we will move to the Excel file. But before that, any question, any doubt? No?
No, sir.
Yes?
No.
Okay. All right. So moving to the Excel file. This is the Excel file which I will give in your group, right? Very simple. Simply go to NSC all report. You all know this because few weeks back when we did the that stock selection method, we discussed this file, right? That you have to download it daily. Do you guys remember? Anyone of you remember or everyone forgot?
Yes,
Yes,
sir, I
sir.
remember.
Sir,
Sir,
remember.
yes, sir. Remember, sir.
Right? So for this, we were supposed to go under capital market. Now we are doing in options. So we are supposed to go to derivative. This second, let me do it here. This derivative, right? This thing, derivative. Link is already there in the group in recording Scala part, right? If you don't have link, please let me know. I will send it again. You need to go to derivative Scala part. Here for the last day. By last day means trading day. Suppose tomorrow is Monday, right? But suppose tomorrow is Monday. So we want data for last trading session. But tomorrow is 16th. So the last trading session was 13th. Suppose if I was standing at 13th September in the night, I want to trade on 14th. Let's say 14th is working day and I am at 15th night. So I would need the data for 13th only, right? The day which closed today, because I want to trade next. So today's data I will take. I will not take 12th data on 13 or 14. I would need, if I have to trade on 14, I would need data of 13. If I have to trade on 16th, I would need data of 13. If I have to trade on 11th morning, I would need data of 10th, right? Irrespective if I am making these numbers on 10th in the night, I would still need data of 10th, which the report which is published by NSE. Or if I am making these lines on 11th in the morning at 6 p.m., let's say, I will look for the report published by NSE on 10th. Is it clear? Any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Simple? Easy? Everyone? Yes, no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clear.
Yes, sir. Easy, sir.
Which file we have to take from derivative part? So I will be trading on 16th. I would need 16th now, right? Because 13th was Friday. Which file would need? And again, as we said that day, when in that session when we discussed stock selection, this data is published by NSE after 6 p.m. Always prefer to sit and do it after 9 p.m. when you are done with dinner, when you are done with your family or everything, right? Do not be in hurry at 6 p.m., 7 p.m., 8 p.m. and don't message me, sir, I am not getting this file on the NSE or etc. because there is a possibility sometimes NSE published at 5 p.m., sometimes they publish at 6 p.m., sometimes they publish at 7 p.m., sometimes they publish at 12 in the night also, right? If you remember, few days back, they did not publish it till the 12 a.m. So I messaged in the group, the derivatives data is not published by NSE. So I will share lines tomorrow morning. Do you guys remember that message few days back?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Right? So that is also a possibility. Prefer doing it after 9 p.m. generally, so that you should see the report available. Now, which report we want? We want this report. I am marking it. You can watch this video multiple times. We want this report, right? But nothing else. Make sure you are downloading of this date because there would be one more date of previous day. Don't download of that day. We want of the day. Let's say we are trading on 16th. We want for 13th. Simple. We want this report. I will simply download it. Right. By clicking at this download option, I will download it. It is downloaded. I will open it. Can you see my screen?
Sir.
Sir.
So this would be in a zip file. I simply need to open the Excel, nothing else. So this is the file which will come in front of us, right? Are we all together till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes.
What we need to do is simply in this file, which I will be sharing you, go on the last tab, FNO data. No need to touch the first row, right? No need to touch the first row. The file which you have downloaded, start from second row, press shift and arrow, take it till this column, AX. Then shift, control and down arrow. everything would be selected. Control C, go to that file, keep your cursor on the A2, this first column, second row, Control V. I will repeat everything again. For those who are little slow in Excel, I am repeating it again. You can watch video for the third time, right? This is the file which I have downloaded from NSC. I will go on H, sorry, I will go on A2. Can you see this A2 here? Right? If my cursor is here, so this is A2. I will go on A2. I will press shift and right arrow so that I can move this. I will try to capture the whole line till this column F A. Then I will press shift, control and down arrow so that everything what is there in this file I can select. Control C. I have copied. I will come on my file for FNO data. On the second row, uh, first column, second row, I will simply do Control V. Right? And I will save. Now the file which I have downloaded is not of my use. I am here, my file. Can you see earlier it was NA, right?
Yes, sir.
Now we have the values with us. What we are supposed to do is, I'll just quickly refresh it. I will just refresh this result. So see, every week there is a new expiry, right? So they change the instrument name, right? What is their format? Format is 24 is the year, 9 24 19 24 is the year, 9 is the month, 19 is the date of expiry, and then strike price. Can you see this? 24 is the
Yes.
year, 9 is the month, 19 is the date of expiry, and then strike price. So they keep on changing this, right? The when the month changes, so this 9 will become 10. When the expiry date change, let's say next to next week, so it would come as 26 maybe, right? So that's how they keep on changing. So how will I get it from this huge data? There are 32,000 rows. So for that, simply no need to do anything. Here in filters, select SEO. This is stock option. If I am making lines for index, this is index option, right? So now we will do for mid.
एक second.
We will you nahi aa rahe the. Please mute yourself if somebody is not talking. It breaks the momentum. We will do together for mid Nifty, right? Because Nifty is already in front of me. So I have created two tabs. On one, those who are proper index traders, make sure you have Nifty values here and use the other tab for, let's say, stock, for mid Nifty, for fin Nifty, for bank Nifty, whatever hell you want, right? So let's say we plan to do it for mid Nifty today or tomorrow, right? Let's do it for mid Nifty chart. What is the value of mid Nifty? Can someone tell me where it closed? You need to tell me quickly.
13,346.
13,346 means our interest of options can be 13,325 and 13,350. Let's assume it, right? And but we need to take I mean, if I will sit in the night, So what I will do, I will keep track of 13,300, 13,325, 13,350, 13,375 and 13,400 as well. Because mid Nifty is a very small strike prices, it has a gap of only 25, right? And 100-point differences up and down. Mid Nifty में हो जाता है. So I will create those charts for me in the night, but as of now, I want to show you how you can do that. So we are doing index first of all. I don't know the symbol of mid Nifty here, right? I don't know it. What is the symbol of mid Nifty? So how I will get the value? I can get it like this. In the instrument type, I will select IDO. IDO is index option. STO is stock option. So only these two are of our use. Index futures, stock futures, we are not doing these levels for them. These levels only for options. So either index options or stock options. We want mid Nifty, so index options. Okay. Future symbol. I want mid Nifty. I will simply type mid here. I want mid Nifty. Okay. Expiry date. My expiry date is tomorrow, right? I definitely I would know my expiry date. So it is 16. So these are my strike prices of mid Nifty. What I want, as just now somebody said, I want 13 350, let's say 13,350, right? So 13, this is 13,500. I don't know why it is not coming in sequence for mid Nifty. Ideally it should, but not sure why it is not coming in sequence. So let's take this 13,300, right? I have 13,300 in front of me. I will simply put it like this. So 13,300 CE, 13,300 CE. In that above row, I have to put call option. At the bottom row, I have to put put option. It will take everything itself, the values, the OI, the pain point, the red line. It will give me the answer. Can someone open the chart of 13,300 call and put of mid Nifty and tell me the highs and lows are correct or not? Any one of you have access to system right now? Can you check and confirm me? Or do I check? Shall I check?
Checking, sir. Checking. 13,300, no?
Yes.
Day high and day low.
Sorry?
Day high and day low.
Yes. 13,300 CE and BE both.
सर सही है ये
Sorry?
सीई का यही है सर हाई एंड लो
दोनों का is it
13,300 सीई यस सर
okay. That means
Yes,
we have done
both
it.
both are correct.
Sorry?
सर दोनों करेक्ट है
दोनों करेक्ट है.
नहीं क्लियर नहीं आया. आप क्या बोले? सही नहीं है या ठीक है?
सर क्लियर एकदम सही है सर.
Okay, fine. So we have got the numbers for 13,300. Now I have the instrument with me, instrument ID. What I will do, I will simply copy and paste it here. Sorry, copy it and paste it here, paste it here, paste it here, paste it here. Now I will play whichever strike I want. Let's say I want 325 CE, and I have to put 325 CE also, so I will just replace CE by PE. I want 350 here. I will do 5 here. I will do 5 here. I want 400 as well, right? Do 4 here. I will do 4 here. I have created these numbers for 4 strike prices in 5 seconds, right? Now I am still working very hard that these numbers can be plotted on my chart of TradingView. But as discussed yesterday, I think I am still in process to decode it. The moment I will do that, I will share it with you also, that we will not be able to even draw them manually, right? But as of now, you have to draw these lines manually. But finding these numbers are very easy. You are not supposed to calculate anything, put manually anything. These numbers are in front of you. You just put in the Excel file here, which we downloaded, and you have numbers in front of you. Now, simply go on your chart of mid Nifty. Mid CP 13300, mid CP 13300. Good, right? For now, let's hide them because we are preparing the chart. That's how I prepare, which I'm showing you, right? My pain point is 60.9. My pain point is 60.9. My pain point is 60.9. On both the charts, I have done that. My supports and resistance are 70.6, 38.5. 70.6, 38.5. I might be doing little fast because I have little efficiency in it now. You will be able to do it definitely in some time this fast, right? 78.6, 70.6, sorry. So this is how my line for 13300 strike price created, and it took me few seconds, right? Similarly, 13325, 13350, 400. You just need to sit for 10 minutes maximum, and your your options will be ready in front of your screen. This is what. Now, with a first glance, what my understanding is saying, we will see option chain later. Right now, what my understanding is saying, कि boss 13300 तो already pain point के नीचे है, already support भी break कर चुका है, means यहाँ पे on 13300 there should be some very strong support sitting, or the option open interest of 13300 PE should be very high. 13300 call sellers are already in panic. They are above the pain point. They are struggling. They are in pain, right? Because few days back they were sitting at, the prices were at 1 to 10 rupees. Now they are at 60, 70 or even 100 rupees. So they are in panic, right? This is my first observation says about this chart. Now let's see the option chain. Is my view matching with option chain or not? 13300, this is the OI. So we have this is the OI. Do we have highest OI or not at 13300? Means market is
Yes,
bullish at
yes, sir.
13300, right? This is a very strong support as of now. Can we see unwinding at 13300 or not? Minus में हो रहा है, means they
Yes,
are
sir.
running, means they are
Hmm.
running out of their positions. So was my assumption little bit correct or not, that 13300 all writers are
Yes, sir.
struggling because they were above the pain point? Those who know option chain reading would understand what I am saying. Those who don't understand option chain, it is totally fine. You can ignore it. But what my first assumption was, they are little panic. Yes, they are. They are very strong. Yes, they are. Right? a small view has been created. See boss, this is all happening in mid Nifty at 15,300 at least. Now, tomorrow, let's say we open gap down. We are staying somewhere here. Means they have entered the comfort zone. Means they were in comfort zone till now. But if they start trading above this, means they have to shoot up, right? They have to come down. That's how you have to see it. This is hypothetically, I have taken 13,300. I don't know where market will open tomorrow at 13,350, 400. So you have to decode it in that way. These charts should be ready with you. Let's say 3-4 strike prices. For Nifty, don't do it more than 3. Let's say 25,300 we are at. So 25,200, 300, 400. More than sufficient. I still remember on Thursday I said these two charts will not Thursday. In fact, on Wednesday I think I said last week the 25,800, 24,800 and 25,000. These two charts will tell us the clear picture, and that those two charts are sufficient to figure out the movement of the market that day, right? So when you have 3-4 strikes with you now in these indices, just initially check ATM, then the moment you see something happening at ATM on either side, अपोजिट साइड के ITM में एकदम चले जाना बस. Nothing else is needed. The moment ATM is breaking a pain point, the support maybe opposite side के ITM में एकदम पहुंच जाओ and see whether they are jumping or not. If it is ATM is continuously falling, then other opposite side का ITM has to jump and grab that opportunity for the movement. If you are an option buyer. If you are an option seller, so you have already sold it. You are not waiting for anything. Option buyer has to wait for momentum. Option seller doesn't need to wait for anything, right? For momentum or anything like that. He simply wants market to go slow, slow, slow. So that's how we can do it. Now, for an example, I have a view about this beauty, right, which is on my radar. What it is. This is at 16.14. Let's see its option chain, right? So the maximum OI I can see at 1600, and they are in panic. On Friday, they close their positions, right? The maximum OI I can see is 1600 of put. They have become strong. They have added maximum here. Can you see? The maximum they have added is 1600 put option in Bharat Forge. So view is clear as per option chain also, and my chart reading also. I think yesterday or someone I discussed about Bharat Forge, that it is on my radar, right? So 1600 seems to be a very important option for me to Bharat Forge. Now let's create its line and see what we can do it. I mean, what are the possibilities basically? 1600 will mark here. 1600 put, I will mark here. I will go on my Excel file. I will move it to SPO, means stock option. I will do Bharat Forge. So now expiry, stock option expiry is the monthly expiry, right? So monthly expiry is on 26. It will come on 26. If you select 16, the answer will be 0. If you select 23 or whatever 24, answer would be 0, right? These other dates are for indexes, which might be some index expiry that day. So 26. Now I want, let's say, I don't want to waste my time. I simply pick this and I will replace 7 by 6 here. And I will replace 7 by 6 here. So I have the numbers for Bharat Forge 1600. Now what is my pain point? 35.7. Let's mark my pain point. mark my pain point here. So what does the first view say? Can someone explain me? Who can explain me what is your first view? At a first glance, what can you see? Yeah. In these two charts.
Sir, Bharat,
Call writers are panic.
Sorry?
Call writers are in panic.
No. No. Anyone else? Any new guy? A new guy, I mean, who learned this method yesterday only with me. What can you observe?
The higher highs are forming and lower lows are forming. Sorry,
Okay.
higher lows.
What about pain point? What is actually happening of pain point?
Yeah, so the pain point says that the market will be above 1600 because the call writers on the 1600s are in panic.
Okay. So whoever said it in the beginning, that was also correct. I just wanted to check the new guys, right, who learned this yesterday. So I think Faiz, Vaibhav or Abhishek, whoever said that was also correct. I was just checking. So see, what view we can have? 1600 call writers. We saw it on option chain that they are in panic. Our option lines are also saying that on Friday only they entered the panic zone with this candle. See, right? They entered the panic zone with this candle, and now they are simply exiting their position slowly, slowly. It has not blasted. It is giving them time to exit. First of all, put options clearly telling me they have entered the comfort. Do you realize the importance of these things now, or you don't? Right? From
Yes, sir,
35,
absolutely.
yes, sir.
from 35, they have brought it to 16. 1000 is the lot size if Bharat falls. Per lot, they have eaten 20,000 rupees, right? For an example. Now, that's the view. What next? I have my support resistances. So 35.3 and 22.3. Let's draw that as well. 35.3 and 22.3. I have. All right. So what does it say for tomorrow? My view should be that if any chance of that force spot starts rising, right? Starts blasting above this, there can be huge panic. We can expect for sure. However, if all this was a trap, right, for the weak sellers, and we see a gap down in Bharat Forge or a big down momentum entering in Bharat Forge, and we see 1600 breaking like this, this pain point, they are coming back in comfort zone, and we are here in 1600 PE. Even if we make a higher high, we will attempt buying a put option with a target of this in Bharat Forge. Because then the moment from panic they enter the comfort zone, it will be a cakewalk for them to short it like hell and bring it in. Trust me. It will be a cakewalk for them to short it like hell, this call option and bring it in. The moment they will back in comfort zone and they make a lower low here. And that's what we need to take an advantage. We will use it. This is one possibility. Other possibility, if we break this low also, तो बॉस इसको पटना ही पटना है ऊपर जाके और if this is ready to become zero, that means we are at 52 and we are ready to shift to next strike price, which is the next shifting area of this, where they want to shift next. So after 479, they will target this. For them, this is peanut. These are peanuts for them. They will directly target this, right? And it will keep on increasing like hell. 2.62 might become 5 lakh also tomorrow if they are bullish on it. So we will see what will happen on Bharat Forge, right? We have a recording of this. We will go and check what all scenarios are building with it. So that's how, I mean, this is how we can create a view. And let's see what happens with this as well on Friday. And where do we stand? So clearly, this is also supporting that they are in comfort, right? They are below both the things, and they are in panic, they are above both the things. So tomorrow, let's say it breaks this, and it is here only. So that is a golden opportunity for you to buy it again here, because they are coming here just to exit their position, and then they will fire it. If it is breaking it, I repeat, if it is breaking this low with lower low, and they are still here or touching it here for a hiccup, buy here for this jump, right? So these are the observations which you will learn in live market. All right. Any doubt, any question, any? Sir, I have spent, sorry, I am reading your message after 30 minutes, but sir, I have spent almost 5-6 months just observing the line and doing it with one lot only. Perfect, perfect. That's all is expected from everyone else. That is make you very confident on this. Are we clear the way I created line? One tab, keep it for Nifty if you are a Nifty lover. If you are not, then it's your choice. You can do it anything on it. Let's say if you're a Bank Nifty player, just make it like this. For an example, Bank Nifty and expiry would be the 18, right? 18 would be Bank Nifty expiry. I don't know where Bank Nifty is, so just simply pick it and paste it here. That's one thing I want to see what is happening in it. Let's do one more thing, right? Sorry, one more stock I would just want to see. I haven't done it myself, so just for the sake, I'm checking it. Right, so I want to see what is happening in 1200 wala. I'll just see here. I will replace 1 by 0 here, right? This, and I will replace CE by P here. The pain point is 18 here, right? So Axis Bank 1200. Pain point was 18.3. Okay, so they are in panic already. We'll see how banks are going to perform tomorrow. When they have eaten everything here in this, so they have eaten everything. Let's see how Axis Bank, because Axis Bank is on radar already. Why? I have not created a big position. I have bought very small quantity in equity. I haven't bought any calls or futures or hedges in it. I have bought it in equity with MTF in fact. So 1200 के ऊपर, I mean 1201 was our monthly level, right? In Axis Bank. I thought it is already marked here. In fact, then 1201.3 is our monthly level, right? So I have bought something in equities here. At 1209 is my average price, not big, small quantity. Let's see how it goes. I will try to build all options tomorrow in it if it goes in favor. So yeah, that's about option creation. Any doubt in this self file? Do you think those who have been using it, this can make at least your calculation easy? Those who are new, you might need to watch it again, this video. Or those who are little not that strong in Excel file, you might need